If you're facing this issue on your website when it says the website is undergoing scheduled maintenance, sorry for inconvenience, come back a bit later, we will be ready soon. Normally you see this errors when you try to update a plugin and then you go to website and then you see this error. Normally when your update will be completed, you will not see this error. But if you're still seeing this error, what you can do, log into your hosting account, no matter which hosting do you use, and find this option File Manager. Or what you can do, you can even use FTP and FileZilla. If you don't know how you can use FTP FileZilla, I created a complete video about it. You can check the description of this video. Then when you go to File Manager, then you go to the root folder of your website. Normally it's under public_HTML, and then you need to find this file .maintenance. Right click on this file and then delete this file. Don't worry, it is safe to delete this file, and then click on confirm. And now when you refresh your website will be back again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and check out this useful video on your screen by which you can solve any kind of error on your WordPress website. And if you want to create a complete WordPress website, check out this other video on screen.